What are we, good family? This your boy Brandon.
This your girl Marcy.
And we back with another banging video. And in this video, as you read that title, we at this place called Penn Station. They call it East Coast Subs. I guess they started like somewhere in the East Coast, like New York or Philly or something like that. I'm not really sure. But they got some of the best subs. Better than Subway, better than a lot of other sub places that, you know, that's around where we live at Michigan. So we want to know, have y'all ever tried them before? If y'all have, what y'all think about them? What you guys say, man?
Oh, and then they have a actual special they got going on for a small sub for $4.99. They have it here where we live at. It started like the 27th, I believe, and I think the last day is the 1st. So take advantage of that. You can order online on the website or in the app, and you'll save. I think because the small, I think is like almost $9. So you save a lot. Spending $4.99 plus taxes, so about $5.29, something like that.
So beat that deal.
So yeah, you can't beat that. Almost a $10 sub for $5 and some change. So yeah, that's what prompted us to come here today.
So this is like Cheap Car Date, episode 3 or 4. Don't quote me on that. It's one of the two. But we wanted to keep this series going because I know a lot of people actually was watching these videos. You know, when we go eat somewhere together, like a little date, somewhere quick, somewhere cheap. And something good though. So if you ready, we ready. Let's get into the video. So we back. And this is how the sub look. It looks like this. I'll show you yours back. You said it's $4.99, right? Or $5.99?
$4.99. That's what the deal. You gotta put the code summer 25.
Yeah, summer 25. Don't forget to put that code in if you're gonna eat this quick little sandwich. All right, about to take the first bite.
You ain't telling what type of sub. We ain't telling what type of sub.
Oh yeah, you're right.
All right. So
I got a steak, cheese, and mushroom. I got some mayo. I think onions.
Yeah.
Mayo onions.
I hope they put
mayo onions. And
provolone cheese.
Provolone. Let me get my sauce too. That little thing I like. We got some fries too. Where the fries at? I like the malt liquor stuff. I like to put this on there.
It ain't malt liquor, is it?
No, it's Malton's.
What?
It's Malton's vinegar.
I'm like, malt liquor? What are you trying to advertise in this? This is a family friendly food we trying. You know, malt liquor. You fooling for that one.
And
I thought you like to put that on the fries.
I do.
Don't put that in my bag.
No man, you can have my bag. Give me some fries though. What sub you got, babe?
Oh, I got the grilled classic Italian sub. They got, you know what come on grilled onions. Got the Italian sauce, lettuce. I got tomato on here. Salami, ham. You know, regular usual stuff. And then I got like a vinaigrette.
What is it called? What's it called again?
It's a classic Italian sub. This is a hot sub. I like hot sub for the most part when I
I taste that oregano we put in here. Give me some of them fries though. Oh, they give you let me show you. Hold on.
And that's a small. Oh, shoot. That thing on thing.
Look at this, y'all.
Got sauce dripping everywhere.
You ever been to the carnival? Look on them fries. They give you a bucket of homemade cut fries.
Yeah, that's just a small fry, bro. A mess, y'all.
Nice little homemade cut fries.
I'm over here having a mess. They gave me so much sauce, y'all. The sauce is dripping now.
Then we went to 7-Eleven. Now where we go?
Speedway.
Speedway and got these big gulps for $1. But the bread, I got white bread on here. It's nice and toasted, buttery, not too hard, not too soft, not soggy. The oregano cut your boy off.
You got oregano and salt and pepper on yours. I have oregano on mine.
It stands out more than anything.
Them fries is fresh cut hand. Those are, and I want to say about the burger, they got hand cut.
That's what I said.
Oh, I ain't know. Okay.
Yeah, it's hand cut. I don't know when y'all seen the
This
B-roll.
sub is the bombing.
If y'all seen the B-roll, I showed the potatoes. I don't know if y'all seen it.
Man,
But this supposed to be little. It got a lot of meat in it.
that's what I'm saying. It's worth it. I mean,
Oh,
that's what I'm trying to tell you here. I just went through that. You see how your sub dripping down? That's what happened to
that's
me.
that more liquor.
Mine is the Italian. I ain't got nothing on mine. And mine dripping down like
I
that.
need more napkins.
But what I'm trying to tell
Make
you,
sure I got extra napkins because this thing gets messy.
you always gotta have car napkins in your car, y'all.
When you're doing cheap car dates.
No, period. It don't matter. In general, you gotta have napkins. You got kids, and if they eat in your car and make a mess.
Freshen drinks. Turn that heat down.
Listen, look, we got banana peppers on here, everything.
What else you feel good today in Michigan?
It warmed up a lot. I don't know, that's because it's 79. It's about 50-something degrees this morning.
Pretty good. They did a lot of dang fries, for real. Crispy
This is
cut.
a small fry we got. You ain't tell them how big it was. Show them how big. You take the fry out of the
I couldn't at first.
And that's just small. I'm like, we can share the fry. You know what I'm daggone fries anyway.
This all fries in here.
Then we got the with the Speedway. I wanted the slushy, but they had the big cup for $1. So. See, I was discombobulated because my sub started dripping everywhere. So I missed a lot trying to clean up. I don't want to be walking around looking crazy.
I did get the new We Good merch in. You gotta get her some shirts where you can scan the QR code.
I mean, I got a couple of shirts, but I only got the black one. He got
I got every color now.
And I ain't got my shirt on, by the way, because
Yeah, work.
I'm at work, y'all, so I'm on the lunch break. So, yeah, excuse me if I'm looking crazy, because I'm on my lunch break. Yep. I ain't letting it stop me, y'all.
I'm telling you. The only other sub that compete with this is Tubby's. And it's only a certain
Y'all were
Tubby's.
just trying to put me in the marriage.
Some Tubby's is terrible. They got that terrible bread.
Oh, yeah.
There's only a couple Tubby's that's like, got that old Tubby feel to it.
We got, like, the
Tubby
Tubby
taste.
Bar House. We hate that bread.
Terrible.
And the sad part about it is, yeah, I really do love Tubby.
For real.
So what happened was we did have a Tubby where we live at. They took it away, y'all, and made it Lefty's, right? Lefty cheesesteak. Now they are right now. Don't get me wrong, but they have.
How the tight.
If you know about Lefty cheesesteak, I don't know how real or not. I mean, I don't know how.
That is in a lot of places.
Okay, so it's in different states. So for any of our people watching this or whatever, you know about Lefty cheesesteak. They cool, they good. They even got some good desserts. But the sad thing about it is that we had a Tubby's that was a good Tubby. We was sitting there and eat all the time, going there with our kids every day. I used to order from there all the time. Man, and then they want to took that away. They brought the Lefty, got rid of the Tubby's, to bring Lefty just to close Lefty's down, y'all.
Right, because Lefty
It was
didn't
only
last
open
about
for like
months.
maybe a little over, about 2 years now, maybe.
It was how long?
Yeah, I want to say like 2023, like now it was closed. So I had to be like, yeah, about 2 years. Yeah, like 2023. Now it was closed. Because when it opened up, it was like around the holiday time, wasn't it? So now they not even open no more, y'all. Y'all could have left the Tubby's there.
The place they put it at is in a city by us that's kind of like not a rich kind of city. So I don't think people can afford that food.
That's why they should have kept Tubby's.
Was $20
You
like
know how many people used to go order at Tubby's and sit down and eat in there? And we not going in there ordering no Lefty, getting a steak sub, and by the money I spend there, I can go to a restaurant.
They had corned beef egg rolls.
Oh my God! Remember what happened to
that? Spent like
one
$20
day?
on like 3 of them.
They got it confused and tried to charge it like a crazy astronomical price.
Mm-hmm.
we wanted a corned beef. We didn't want a steak sub today. We wanted a corned beef sandwich,
Some egg roll.
an egg roll or something. We want, and they tried to try. We like, what I order for that? What I order for that amount? We were so lost. They like, oh no, we thought you wanted how many egg rolls? It was a crazy amount they thought we wanted. And I didn't go with you. Remember you went up there with your dad?
I remember I spent like $30 on that.
Remember you went there with your dad? And I'm like, babe, you know this. I was so mad. Like, what we gonna do with all these egg rolls? You said you would see kind of high. I'm like,
it's like they come in half order. So if you say you want one order, it's like ordering 2 or something like that. So I said I wanted like 5, and there's 2 per each one. But like 10 egg rolls. They cut them in half. I was so
lost when you came back. Like, what happened? Why do we have all these egg rolls?
And they ain't that good either.
They really wasn't because they barely had meat and cheese in it.
This thing is delicious.
Yeah, y'all, those what's name barely had anything in it at that, so
it's the bread, the meat.
Yeah.
So make this sandwich delicious. And it's still hot.
And it didn't take them long to make it, y'all, by the way. I want to say that. Shout out to them. And this is lunchtime. And they slapping in there. They got so many people in there ordering and picking up.
Mm-hmm. It's lunchtime. That's why everybody in the mall in there.
But they always be crowded, though. People like these places.
Mm-hmm.
Like, I'm glad we didn't want to sit in here and eat because we wouldn't have where to sit for it.
This is next door to our favorite pizza place. We are going to do a video on here soon. Let me show y'all. See that? Benino's.
Yep.
Our favorite pizza place in the world. We eat there all the time. We haven't did a video on it on this channel, but it is coming soon.
All the fries is in the bottom of the bag now. What the world? I can't stop eating the fries too, y'all.
My brother Bricks, y'all. We're doing a video.
What you eating, baby?
Penn Station.
He said happy pizza.
But give me a minute, I'll call you in a bit. Yeah, they got a deal going on. I'll tell you about it in a minute. Bet.
That was funny.
That was my brother.
You said happy pizza.
No, they do got something.
He thought you was eating that. That's funny.
Mm-mm.
We ain't doing no more happy
Videos.
Not saying it like that, but
no,
unless they get something new. Now they actually do got some new smoked barbecue chicken. Unless it's like something like places that y'all see on the channel that we already review. Unless they got some new stuff going on, then we'll review.
So that video we put out, we ate it about 5 times. We were tearing them up.
So I guess there's a couple of things, couple of videos I want to do. Yeah, we just been busy having a lot going on, so yeah.
But yeah, that's why we've been gone for about 2 weeks. But we're back. We do I got a checker video I got to put out. I did about a couple weeks ago.
Put that out.
Should have been put out, but I'm gonna put it out soon. But yeah, we gonna finish eating up. You know, come back with our final thoughts. Be back in a minute.
I ain't know what you did with your bag.
All right, we're back. Me and Psychopath over here.
Oh, damn, Psychopath.
Cheap for it.
Funky vinegar. No, he put that vinegar and I had the stuff that I
see that vinegar I put in the bag? She used that same bag to hold her sandwich.
Think about it.
And it got vinegar all over.
On my leg. Come on. Ain't you got time for your crazy irritation.
Yeah. That sandwich a 10 out of 10, man.
Nothing left.
Better than Jersey Mike's.
Left, y'all.
I like Jersey Mike's, but this is better. Better bread to me, better taste. The fry, they don't got fries at Jersey Mike's. They got some stupid chips. Mm-hmm. They got chips here too, but this is just better. I think Jersey Mike's is higher too. I mean, this is high. Don't get me wrong, this place is high.
But see, Jersey Mike's don't got. You gonna just get chips. So.
Oh man, you see something on his car. But what you get your sandwich? Hot.
Yeah, it was good. I give it a 10 out of 10.
Yeah.
Yep.
We might make
Enough
another
stuff on
video
there.
with like the actual big sub.
Yeah.
We just
Like
want
the
to bring
regular
out
size.
another
They
cheat
got
code
like
date.
4 different sizes of subs. I think it's a snack, a regular, large. Then I want to say it's one bigger. Yeah, it's one bigger than the actual regular size. I guess that'll be the large.
But then they got a sub smaller than that one.
It's a snack size, they
I'm
say.
talking like this big snack.
That was a nice ass sub to me though.
That was cool. That was
like,
about 6 inches.
what you need to have, I mean, you know what I'm saying? For lunch. And you about to, it's just lunch. It ain't like you trying to get full off of the habit for your dinner, you know, type thing.
That was perfect for lunch. I ain't gonna lie. You just need a little fry and a drink, add to it. It depends. If you buy from here, it do get costly, even with that deal.
Yeah.
The fry $4, the drink about $3. Now you're like 11, 13, about $13.
Mm-hmm.
But you know, we got $1 drink, and then the fry $3. So.
Yeah, that's cheap.
But yeah, thank y'all for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. We're on the way to 100 subscribers. May seem like it's taking a long time, but it's it's God's plan. We're gonna get there when we need to get to 1,000 subscribers so we can get monetized on the channel, which is cool.
Mm-hmm.
Everything come when it's supposed to. But in the meantime, we're gonna keep dropping these
Coming out
banging
with a whole
videos.
lemonade. Sorry, y'all got
The big thing?
freshly squeezed lemonade. Dang, I
Bet
forgot
you
you
good,
can
too.
buy that. He went there just to get a lemonade. That lemonade must be good.
Oh wait, they ain't the same man. Oh, I thought I was
No,
saying the
that's
man
a
to the
different
left.
man. You think everybody look alike? They don't look alike.
No, I don't think they look alike. They're like the
You
same
looked at
old
it.
man that got
Yeah,
out that
that's
truck.
not him.
Oh,
See?
he's another old man.
See? They all old men look alike, y'all.
Nah. All right, until the next one.
See you later.
Alligator.
Dude, you just gotta get in on my little
Damn
team.
right.